Hi there everyone. In this part, the second part, I'm going to teach you the Anupallavi. The raga collection first, Hamsadwani. Hamsadwani is the derivative of near the Melatara, the Dhekshinendya or 65th Melatara, major Galeni, both you can say. Out of raga, Madhyama Daiva or Jiraga, make sure, stick to that. Okay, Madhyama Daiva or Jiraga. Upanga raga and the Surasansar, Shadja, Chalsurashapa, Andhra, Andhra, Panjam and Kagal Nishada. And the Arokana goes like this. Sariga Pani Sari Pagari Sa. I'm not explaining how to sing the Arohana since I have did the same in the first part. If you have not watched it, go watch it first. Moving on to the Anupallavi. Kavindra Ravi Vinuta Kavindra Ravi Vinuta Kanagamaya Divya Kanagamaya Divya. Anyway, Kavindra Abhishta. Same thing, right? Pasa here Kavindra Sani Bappa Pasa Sani Bappa Kavindra. Basically there are only two songs for this story. Kavindra Pasa Sani Bappa Ravi double Panjava Pasa Sani Bappa Pa. There Pasa Sani Bappa Pa. That is Pradivadema. Pasa Sani Bappa Pa Pagapa. Only that is possible here, since only Andhra is in this raga. Kavindra Ravi Ravi Pasa Ravi Vinuta. There, Ravi V, second V, Nisa. Ravi Vinuta Nisa Nis. Ravi Vinuta Ravi Nisa Ri Gapa Sa Nisa Ri Ravi Vinuta. Ta is also Rishabha. Nuta Kanagamaya Divya Kanaga Niriga Kanaga Maya Maya Garisa Maya Maya Garisa Ni Maya Divya Divya Rigari Garisa. It's Ganthara's double throat. Divya. That's a speed. It should be singing. One stretch. The first song goes like this. Kavindra Ravi Vinuta Kanagamaya Divya Kanagamaya Divya Risa. Second Sangadi starts like the second Sangadi of Abhishta. Abhishta here Kavindra Sasarigariga Sarigariga Kavindra Vin Sarivappa Kavindra Kavindra Dra Dra Sariga Dra. From here Ravi Ganisa Ravi Vinu. Oh, Kavindra Ravi Ravi. It's actually Panchamas Gamagam. Ga Ga Nipa Pa Ra Ravi Ravi. It's really fast. Garibasa Ravi Vinota. Second V. It is Nisa V Vinota. Rishabha two times. Kavindra Ravi Vinota. A small change is there. Kavindra Ravi Vi. From that shot, just slide up to Ganthara. Saka Vinota. Re. Since there are two Rishabham, don't repeat any usage. First Rishabha you should give a Gamaga. Sagari. Second Rishabha give Gari. Gari. Like that. Kavindra Ravi Vinota. Ravi Nota. Like that. Vinota. Then Kana Ka Ganthara Ka Kana Kana Rigangapa Kana Kamaya that's the copy of the first, I think. Riga, 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 risa. That's it. The second Sangeeti goes like this. Kavindra Ravi Vinuta Kanatamaya Divya. That's it. There are extension. There are three Sangeeti for the extension. Charana Kamala Monu Nammidini Charana Sanisa Shadja 2 times, so Nishada is the answer. Charana Sanisa Gari Charana Kamala Satsaniva Kamala Satsanipa Kamala Charana Kamala Monu Nizari Nammi Nirisaripa Nammi Ti Pagani Padi Ni Aurora Riga Panisa except the Shadja Riga Panisa. That's the first extension. Charana Kamala Monu Nammi Dini. Second Sangeeti. Charana Kamala Sansa Charana Giri Charana Kamala Marika Rishabha is been Shadja is been thrown to Rishabha. Yeah. Sansa Charana Giri Na Kamala Saripa Kamala Mono Nisari Garisani Mono Nam Garisani Nam Mi Risani Pami Di Riga Parisa. That's a copy of the first. Second Sangeeti goes like this. Charana Kamala Mono Nam Charana Kamala Mono Nam Miri Sani Pagadi Ni Riga Panisa. I'll sing it once again. Charana Kamala Molunam Midini. That's the second. Moving on to the last Sangeeti, the third. Charana Kamala Molu Charana Kamala. This is the copy of the second. Mulu Nisarika. Up to Gantara you should move. Mulu then Nam Pagarisanam Mi Garisani Nam Nam Mi Risani Padi Risani Padan Panisari. From there Na Charana Kamala Mulunam Midini. Then connect that with the third Sangeeta of the Pallavi. Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. Extension number 3. Agama Veda Dendarahida Pade. Now the concluding phrase, first Sangeeti. Abhishta Varada Shri Maha Ganapati. So that's the second part of this tutorial. I'll be teaching you the last portion, the charanam, in the third part of this. Otherwise the tutorial will be so huge, that's the only reason. Okay, so practice, keep on practicing. See you in the next part. Bye bye.